Hey everybody, it's Quail Mama. I'm out here in the coop with the little birds. It is May 19th and it's about 98 out here, I'd say, according to the thermometer in the sun. But it's a nice day. Little birdies are all getting along pretty good. We got baby cat over here saying hi. Hi, baby. There's baby girl. Okay. But yeah, the little birds are all doing well. It seems like our reset did what I wanted it to, and that's awesome. What are you eating over there? Hope that's lettuce. Yeah, I think that's lettuce. Good deal. So anyway, all three of my girls and Spot or not Spot. Spot's in the house. This is Papa G. And we're all getting along pretty good. There's some eggs in the nest I haven't collected yet. I'm letting them get some greens here. We got our fresh water. That's good. There's some thistle seeds. They like their thistle seeds. All this food in the coop, you wouldn't think they'd be so hungry, but they like their treats. They got all kinds of bird seed and pellets, but they can't wait for their treats. Let's see. Let's put some seeds out too. Visited a little bit with the Lost Boys today. Well, hi. How are you doing? May. May's acting much better. Might have just been a broody territorial thing for Miss May. She's done much better after I took the eggs out. She barricaded the nest, but all's good. Yeah, she's not acting crazy anymore. I think she was just wanting everybody out of the way so that she could be all broody. Oh goodness. There's George. Hi, buddy. And back over to our little birds. They're liking their salad. Oh boy. Mama got the bugs. Have a bug fest here in a minute. Oh yeah, no, you stay out of there. Those aren't for you. Not yet. Come on. Oh goodness. It's like trick or treat. Ouch. Hey, that's my finger. Hey, that's still my finger. So aggressive. At least Missy's got some aim. Oh. Poppy's saying he wants some. Come on, girls. A bunch of little piggies. She's gonna crowd Missy out. Funny little maneuvers. They're still crowding her. Silly birds. Okay, let's get some in here so that maybe Poppy can get some too. Maybe we'll throw some to Poppy. There you go, Poppy. I'm gonna hide behind the frame over there. Here's my ladies. I wonder if they'll like this little bugle weed. Of course, they won't like it over their bugs, but you never know. I think the camera might make a noise that they can hear when I snap a picture, because they'll stop and look. Here comes Poppy. He's crowing good. Morning, noon, night, all day long. It kind of looks like he might have an owie on the top of his beak there. I wonder how he did that. He was like poking through the wires or something. Anyway, I visited with Seven and the Lost Boys, and poor Seven, he got himself scalped. Can't see his brain anymore, but he still has a wound that's healing. He'll be getting better here soon. And I did, like I said in that video, at a garage sale, I found some more dog crates. I'm gonna clean them up and paint them and put the poultry netting over them so that I can give him a new home. And I did actually receive the Amazon little rabbit hutch / quail coop, and I'm going to put that together, and we will have homes for the boys and the new babies that hatch out in June, just before vacation. Maybe not the best timing, but not something I could totally control. Where are you going? Poppy's creating him a new dust bath over there, it looks like. I stopped at the Oregon recreational site the other night, hoping that maybe I'd find some sand I could bring home to help create a dust bath for them. But the water's still so darn high that there was no sand visible. But I did see a little beaver or muskrat or something that lived under the dock over there. That was kind of cool. And I think I had a blackbird come up, red-winged blackbird came up wanting a french fry, but I didn't have any. Hot little birds. Hot little birds panting. Well, everybody, I think we can say that Operation Switcheroo worked out pretty well. My girls are happy, my little boy is happy, and I'm happy. Now we just need to hatch out some babies and have them integrate into the coop. That's what I'm hoping for. Is that an egg over there? Or is that a walnut? I don't know what that is. I think it's a walnut. Oh yeah, one of them squirrel walnuts. Anyway. Alright, so let's see. We got our little basket here. What happened to the lid for the treats? There's a lid for the treats. Put those back in the bag. I'm all set for the weekend here, so I'm gonna be at work. Let's see, what do we got in our little nest? I can't even see that under there, but I think there's at least 3 eggs, so I am going to point that over this way and reach on in. Yep, I felt 3 eggs, and I got them. I got 3 little eggs for the pickle pot. Put them into our little basket. Okay. Well, everybody, I hope you're all having a good Friday, and I hope you have a great weekend. This is Quail Mama saying thank you very much for the likes and the subscriptions. Appreciate everyone who has subscribed, gives us a like. Please don't forget, leave us a comment, a suggestion, a question, or even share a video. Sure appreciate it. Thanks everybody for watching, and until next time, I'm going to say bye for now.